Accessing iCloud on an Android phone is a straightforward process that allows you to view and manage your iCloud content on a non-Apple device. To start, you need to have an Apple ID and an iCloud account. If you do not have one, create an Apple ID and set up your iCloud account. First, open a web browser on your Android phone, such as Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. Type in the address bar www.icloud.com and press enter. You will be taken to the iCloud website where you can sign in with your Apple ID and password. Once you have signed in, you will see a list of available iCloud services, including Mail, Contacts, Calendar, Photos, and more. You can access any of these services by clicking on the corresponding icon. For example, if you want to access your iCloud photos, click on the Photos icon and you will be able to view and download your photos. To access your iCloud contacts and calendar on your Android phone, you can use the built-in Contacts and Calendar apps. To do this, go to your phone's settings and select Accounts. Then, select Add Account and choose iCloud from the list of available accounts. Enter your Apple ID and password, and select the Contacts and Calendar options. You can also use the iCloud app on your Android phone to access your iCloud content. The iCloud app is not available on the Google Play Store, but you can download it from the Apple website. However, this app is only available for Windows, so you will need to use the iCloud website to access your content on your Android phone. In addition to accessing your iCloud content, you can also use iCloud to locate your Android phone if it is lost or stolen. To do this, go to the iCloud website and sign in with your Apple ID and password. Then, click on the Find My iPhone icon, even though you have an Android phone, and select your device from the list of available devices. You can then use the map to locate your phone, play a sound to help you find it, or erase its contents to protect your personal data. In conclusion, accessing iCloud on an Android phone is a simple process that allows you to view and manage your iCloud content on a non-Apple device. By following these steps, you can easily access your iCloud photos, contacts, calendar, and more, and even use iCloud to locate your Android phone if it is lost or stolen.